Hello friends, in today's video I want to show you how to earn money as a graphic designing. If you know about graphic designing, so you make money online, it's very easy task. First of all, I tell you how to change a picture background in Adobe Photoshop 7.0. So let's go. We'll start from this picture. We're using pen tool for cutting the objects. Which one we need? Let's see. I have two layers here. One is this and the another one is on wrong side. You see, use erase tool, press to 100. Sorry. Okay guys, you see, feather is 100. You see guys, let's do some stroke. Try to drop shadow, white. You see, you just need a Fiverr account, and here you put a gig about graphic designing, and you offering people, you change his photos background in $5 or $10 per each picture, and you easily done by Adobe Photoshop. You see, our photo is ready for use. So that's it. So you earn money online as a graphic designer. It's a good skill. If you don't know how to use Adobe Photoshop, visit my channel. I have many videos about graphic design on my channel. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.